and good evening to all the strange workers here in the studio and at home who are watching us. Today, you must understand what is the problem with the Jewish. You know, in Israel, we are a lot of Jewish, but there are three kinds of Jewish. There are simple Jewish that you see a lot in the street, medium Jewish, and very, very Jewish. The simple Jewish, like me for example, we don't wear kippah on the head, okay, you know, kippah. The medium Jewish people wear a kippah that is knitted, you know. They have a special small pin to attach the kippah to the hair, okay? So you see, it is good for me that I'm a medium, not a medium Jewish, because the wind would blow the knitted kippah off my head. Now, the very, very Jewish, they wear a black hat, always. Always black hat. Now, if you, okay, for example, you are not Jewish, and you want to become, like me, for example, simple Jewish, you must first become very, very Jewish, and only after, when the rabbis are not looking, you become simple Jewish. But this does not stop here. You also, and excuse me, must cut your penis. Only if you have one. And not all of it. Just a small piece of the penis, okay? Unless you have a very big penis, then you have to cut a bigger piece. That is because we want to be all one size, you know? Not to be jealous of each other, you know? Because we in Israel, we say, all Israel are friends. And that is also why we all go to the army to protect each other. Except, of course, the very, very Jewish, they don't go because they have another way to protect us. They study the Bible all day and pray very, very hard. And that's why God protects us. And that is why nothing bad ever happened here in Israel. Okay? So basically, this is it about the Jewish. Next week, I will tell you what is a very important thing. Wash plus 30. Which is why you get your salary so late and sometimes you don't get it at all. Okay, so thank you very much for being here. I love you and we'll see you next week.